In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run promotion SMS Champaign in Klaviyo. To begin, you will be using Klaviyo's campaigns area. So the first thing to do is go to the top navigation and open campaigns. Once you are in that section, look for the option to create a new campaign. You are going to click Create Campaign because this is where you start building a fresh promotion message to send to your audience. After you click Create Campaign, Klaviyo will guide you through choosing the campaign type. Next, select SMS as the channel. This step matters because it ensures that the rest of the setup is designed specifically for text message promotions, including the right kind of message fields and sending options. Now that you have chosen SMS, you will need to name your campaign. When you see the prompt to enter a name, choose a clear, recognizable name for your promotion. You want to name it something that makes sense to you later, such as the offer or the date range. Naming your campaign properly helps you keep track of what you ran, especially if you plan to send multiple promotions over time. Once you have entered the campaign name, you will click Create Campaign. This will open the rest of the campaign setup, where you can define exactly who will receive the SMS and how the delivery will work. Take a moment here to confirm you are inside the new SMS campaign you just created. Now you are ready to choose who will receive the promotion. In the Setup screen, find the section labeled Send To. This is where Klaviyo lets you target the right people, such as a recipient list or a segment based on customer behavior or attributes. Your job in this step is to select the recipient list or segment that matches your promotion goals. As you look at the Send To area, choose the specific list or segment you want to use. Make sure it is the correct group, because the message will be sent to everyone in that selection. If you are promoting something to a particular audience, such as customers who have shown interest in a product category, selecting the correct segment ensures your promotion is relevant and effective. After you choose your recipient list or segment, the setup may show a destination or an end condition for sending. The final part of the instruction is to click End. This indicates that you have completed the recipient selection portion and you are ready to continue with the campaign. Stopping here at the right moment helps you avoid missing or changing audience settings unintentionally. At this point, your promotion SMS campaign has been created. It is set to the SMS channel, and you have selected the audience it will send to. You have also confirmed the selection process by clicking End, which completes the Send To step. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to start a promotion SMS campaign in Klaviyo. By creating the campaign, setting it to SMS, naming it, selecting your recipients, and finalizing the Send To step.